Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
All right, take a peek at what we're expecting into the weekend. It's going to be hot. It's going to be humid. There's going to be some spotty storm chances once again. I wish we could get rid of that idea, but unfortunately it's sticking around. And a couple of those spottier storms could turn strong to severe for us once again. Seems like a rinse and repeat as we continue in towards the weekend with the opportunity for some very toasty temperatures. The next big thing really is just tracking a few of those storms. We've been doing that all week, but heat index values 95 to 105 tomorrow, especially if we stay drier and we stay with a little bit more sunshine. Those temperatures get up. The heat really builds, the humidity is going to be disgusting, and we'll find ourselves feeling like 105 for a good chunk of the afternoon. Because tomorrow we're going to try to get you to 91. On Sunday we're going to try to get to 93. There could be a couple of isolated to spotty storm chances in the mix for us. Certainly not the widespread coverage like what we've seen earlier this week or even last night. But with that, any isolated storm could turn strong to severe. The muggy meter over the weekend is oppressive across the board for us. There's no stopping that. Dew points in the mid to upper 70s at times. You'll sweat just looking outside, even if you're inside with the AC. Yes, it's going to continue to be very hot. Tonight, pretty quiet for us overall. We've got an isolated storm near Stanford, really just kind of popped up, is sitting there and is going to rain itself out. Once it does, we'll be mostly in the clear for the rest of the evening. There's no new development really taking place at this point to our northwest. There's actually some storms in Tennessee, and the rotation for us here is actually kicking those up towards the south, from the south to the north a little bit. So we'll be watching for maybe a couple of those to clip southern Kentucky here the rest of this evening. More development is along the low, over near Omaha, Nebraska, and into Iowa. As we roll into tomorrow, what we're going to get is upper level winds dragging that down and around. There's a level 2 risk in the yellow shaded region, mainly across eastern Kentucky, level 1 across central and south central Kentucky. All of this for the opportunity of the same things that we could see on Sunday as well. We've got a level 1 across the board for Kentucky on Sunday. Both days, storms are going to be hit or miss. I don't think everybody sees a thunderstorm, but those that do, any that could turn strong or severe. Wind is going to be the main threat, and more of the flash flooding are really the main concerns here. No real big tornado or hail threat with these storms as they come through, and that's really what we're going to have to keep the closest eye on. Now, Futurecast clears things out for us pretty quickly, and watch this. It's actually pretty quiet for the majority of the day tomorrow. Mostly sunny to partly cloudy. There's an isolated storm for us in the afternoon across eastern Kentucky. More bubble ups to the south and east into the afternoon on Saturday, and then dry until the cold front pushes some spotty storm chances in for Sunday. And so with that, just make sure you have your alerts on. Maybe keep an eye on the radar as the weekend rolls along, but we should be, for the most part, in drier weather.